But historically in the past, what I have made the mistake of doing is saying, okay, I've got 14 days with you. I better work really diligently, really quickly to help teach you all about SAM. And if you have not yet experienced that kind of question when engaged with a new piece of software, this is like the $100 million question, because ultimately I have a very small time to prove to you that this software is going to be the right solution for you. So from my end, what a question, right? But we have 14 days. So my answer to this initially was what everyone has always done. Oh, okay, well, I just need to show them features. And I would say, hey, look at this feature. And then tomorrow I'll have you look at that feature. And then tomorrow I'll have you look at that feature. And then the day after, all of you look at that feature, and onward and upward as we go. But what I found, I actually spent all of August this year looking over hundreds of past trials. I looked over feedback from our customers. I looked at individuals who took a trial but didn't end up becoming customers. I looked at emails. I looked at messages. I even looked at use inside of SAM to try and understand, gosh, where is this falling short? How are we not delivering a world-class client experience? And I realized fundamentally, this is completely wrong. So because this is completely wrong, because we spent so much time looking at features when we were actually needing to spend time showcasing how the tool can help them get results, right? Features versus results. This is like the cardinal sin in technology. And I, as a technologist, broke that rule because that's what everyone does, right? And so what we needed to do was we needed to actually sit down and we needed to rethink what we were going to be doing to deliver on an actual result for our customers. So I had a trial experience, and it was actually labeled 2.3 because I built it in 2023. Well, this experience got retrofitted, and now we have trial 2.6. So that's what we're going to be looking at. And we're going to be looking at the foundations of this specific trial. So to start, what I want to do is I want to just kind of map out the experience that someone goes through when they engage with our software.